Today we're going to go with Joe, and he's going to quickly show us how to change out a blue cartridge on a Delta tub and shower valve, or if it's just a shower valve, either one.
Your Delta tub faucet is dripping. Before you change the cartridge, make sure your pressure is under 80 and you have your water turned off and drained down. Next, go ahead and shut the drain in case you drop this screw that's going to be under this indicator cap that we're going to take off. We're going to go ahead and get this screw out of the way, and then we're going to be able to pull the handle off. And then we're going to go ahead and get this sleeve removed and go ahead and unscrew this retainer ring. Now we can pull the cartridge off, and we can take a really good look inside the valve body and make sure that there's no debris in there, and go ahead and wipe off any little pieces of corrosion and get it nice and clean. And of course, we want to make sure that the hot indicator is on the left and push that cartridge back in. And we're going to reseat our retainer ring. Let's go ahead and put our sleeve back on, and then we're going to adjust our skull guard, put the handle on, run the screw in there, and put the indicator cap back on, and there it is.
If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Be sure to watch our next video. It's a little bit more in depth. It talks about other Delta cartridges, and we really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much.